if I had an executive producer, I'd be in a lot of trouble right now because I'm late in filing a lot of reports right after this. Hey, what's up folks? This is Big Sam here at BigSamsFStops. Welcome back to my channel. About 3 weeks ago, just about 3 weeks ago, was the World Photography Day. 2 weeks and a few days. World Photography Day, and in Abuja here, it was magical. That's why I said if I had a producer, I'd be in a lot of trouble now, because I ought to have done this all this while, but you just know how things catch up with you. And before the World Photography Day, Abuja, Nigeria was on fire. I mean, the creative community, where there was so much expectation, the air was thick with expectations. So many photography groups, so many creative groups, where we were all like junkies waiting for a fix. Everybody was looking forward to it. There was so much activities, it was difficult for me to choose which one to go with. Eventually, I went with the Shoulders Network, and there was Clickers, there was Abuja Lens Freak, there was a Photographers Hangout, so many different fora for creatives, and everybody had, you know, activities lined up. Eventually, I went with Shoulders Network International, and we had a 2-day event. And the first day was a meet and greet with Canon officials, and, you know, kind of like a workshop. And this part of this introductory video would serve as an introductory video to that one, because I'm trying to use one stone to kill as many birds as possible today. And I'm not going to talk too much about it. I'm just going to let the pictures and the video speak for themselves. And I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe, and let me know how you feel about this from anywhere in the world that you may be watching this. Thank you for being here with me today, and I'll hope to see you at the end of the video, and then we can wrap it up.
So without much ado, I want to say on behalf of the Shoulders Network and Canon, I want to say a very big welcome to everybody. Okay, so without much wasting of time, I'll proceed to the introduction of guests. So, all right, so I know first off we have Oga Jerry here. Oga Jerry is taking pictures. Okay, and this is our president. So this is the president of the International. I was please, a resounding applause.
So this is the before. I'd like to see the after.
All right. So, okay.
Oh, finally!
Yeah, so that is Elvira Musa. Trust me, none of you can spend it.
At last.
Okay. So,
I didn't know.
Okay, let's speak inside my. All right, thank you, calligraphy.
space for us. And more importantly, I also want to thank my friend and our mentor in photography, who are looking up to today, who is going to anchor most of the activities we are going to do today, and who is a very strong influencer to all the Abuja photography community, and the person of Ahmed. Ahmed, it's a pleasure to have you, and I tell you that you are thank you for being on your time. The one you see on the screen is called POC. POC is a new word. It simply means living together for the common good. Common good for everyone. One of the basic philosophy of Canon is to develop a valid relationship with people or the whole community in every country or in every continent.
Halfway through the shoot, my man here, Zabel, decided that he wanted to change from this lens to the 50mm Tamron lens. So if you're very observant, you will have noticed that I have another lens in front of me for a prop. No worries, things like this happen in the studio. Well, I hope you've liked what we've shown you so far on day one of the Shutters Network International 2-day event to mark the World Photography Day. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below for me, and I'll be glad to share your thoughts with all of our viewers right here. My name is Big Sam, and thank you for being here with me. I hope to see you on the second part of this video, which is the part 2, the second day of the video. Thank you very much. All right.